Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has finally tabled the draft of Uniform Civil Code in the State Assembly today.
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं आपकी अनुज्ञा से समान नागरिक संहिता उत्तराखंड विधेयक 2024 को प्रस्तावित करने हेतु सदन की अनुज्ञा चाहता हूं।
There has been some opposition to this draft and the opposition parties want some time for the discussion. If passed, Uttarakhand will become the first state in the independent India to have its own UCC. According to reports, the Uttarakhand draft talks about mandatory registration of live-in relationship and prohibition of polygamy. While we wait for the detailed provision, let us understand what Uniform Civil Code means. The Uniform Civil Code is a common law that applies to every citizen of India. It is mentioned in the Article 44 of the Constitution under the directive principle. It is said that the UCC will check discrimination against all the vulnerable groups that are present in India at the moment. For the national level UCC, currently the Law Commission has sought suggestions from all the stakeholders from the country. The central government seeks to bring a law that applies on each and every citizen of the country, irrespective of the caste, religion and creed they follow. The proponents of the UCC believe that mainly women will benefit from the code. Women who are suffering from different religious laws will be relieved once this code will be brought. This is what the government believes. However, there is an opposition to it from different sections of the society. Not only the minorities, but people from within the majority community have raised their objections against the Uniform Civil Code. Currently, Goa is the only place in India which has a UCC, but it was brought in 1870s. Other than Goa, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat are discussing the possibilities of bringing a UCC. The Constitution of India gives rights to the minorities to manage their religious affairs, which includes marriage and divorce and other things. Several Muslim groups say that UCC is against the Islamic law and any such law will be strongly opposed.
जो कुरान पाक ने मुसलमानों को हिदायत दी हैं जिससे और किसी का कोई नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है, उसके खिलाफ का कोई कानून बनता है तो हम उसे मानने को तैयार नहीं हैं.
According to reports, several tribes in Uttarakhand have been given some concessions in the UCC.
I can't understand what is their purpose, because if they are going to implement UCC, then why the Uttarakhand government exempted the Adivasis, Dalits from this act? Adivasis and Dalits are not included under the preview of this law. Then how it is going to be universalized?
Not only Muslim groups, but several Christian groups and groups from within the majority community have opposed certain aspects of the UCC. The groups believe that their specific religious laws should be left to themselves. There are personal laws for various religious minorities in India, and the groups believe that those personal laws are under threat whenever the UCC comes. There is a whole lot of politics going on against the UCC. However, it is interesting to note that there is not even a single draft that has been approved or even made as of now. So people opposing UCC should at least wait for the draft to come and then register their opposition against this draft.